Namaskar. Removal of toxins from the body is very important to live a healthy life. The kidneys are very important organ that is responsible for filtering your blood and converting waste into urine. They keep the body fluid balance in check and maintain proper electrolyte levels. Medical conditions like diabetes and hypertension, high blood pressure are common diseases which are caused because of malfunctioning of kidneys. So it is critical to keep the kidneys healthy. Here are some powerful drinks to detox kidney. Number 1. Beetroot and apple smoothie. Beetroot contains betaine, a useful phytochemical that contains an antioxidant property and raises the acidity of urine. Apple contains a fiber called pectin, which promotes kidney health. Ingredients: 1 beetroot, 2 apples, half a lemon juice, half cucumber. Now understand how to use it. Method: blend all these ingredients in a mixer and drink it fresh. Second, apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar helps to detox the body, especially kidney. It contains citric acid, acetic acid and phosphorus, which helps to break down and prevent kidney stone formation. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 glass of water. Method: mix apple cider vinegar with water and have it on an empty stomach early in the morning. Number 3. Carrot smoothie. Carrots are high in carotene, which aids in cancer prevention and removal of toxins from kidney. Carrot fiber binds the toxins and these toxins are then removed from the body easily. Ingredients: 1 carrot, half cucumber, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Method: blend all these things together and have it in the morning breakfast. Fourth, coriander juice. Coriander promotes kidney functioning and decreases the formation of kidney stones. Ingredients: bunch of coriander finely chopped, 2 glasses of water and honey. Method: boil water in a vessel, add finely chopped coriander in the vessel and boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. Filter the drink and let it cool. Now add a spoon of honey and drink it. A healthy kidney also helps preventing urinary tract infection. So have this nutritious and delicious drink to have an optimal kidney health. Namaskar.